morning class. Anyone na pwedeng mag-lead ng prayer na?
Let us all bow our heads and feel the presence of God. Amen.
So, before mag-start po yung klase natin, magdala muna ako ng attendance. Aileen Pantaleon,
Present.
Dave Antonio,
Present.
Rangel Castro, Christine Santellan.
Present, sir.
Bago tayo magsimula sa topic natin ngayon, ito muna yung motivation natin. Yes, that is. Ay! Sino nakakalam ng previous lesson natin?
Ano sir, select photovoltaic problems and projects.
Sa motivation na muna tayo. Yes, that is. Yan. Ito yung direction. Look at the icon shown on each slide. Guess which Microsoft Office tools it represents. Discuss its main function. The correct answer will be revealed after your list. Let's begin. Please parang tingnan mo.
Microsoft Word.
Tama. Tama. Next.
PowerPoint.
Tama.
Excel.
Tama.
Good fun.
Okay. Let's begin to. Any idea? May idea na ba kayo sa magiging topic natin po? Any idea?
About sa...
Huwag na mali. Ano sir, mga platforms na ginagamit natin para makapag-edit ng documents.
So, let's start. Microsoft Office. Any ideas sa Microsoft? Yes.
Microsoft Office, ito yung broader or malawak na software na ginagamit ng mga natin para makapag-edit ng files, makapag-select, create.
So, what is Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office, sila yung what is Microsoft Office? Microsoft is used for special purpose office work such as document, worksheet, presentation, database. Hindi lang sa office works nagagamit ng Microsoft Office kasi nagagamit din natin ito sa school, like sa Words, sa Excel. Pwede natin silang gamitin lalo. Yung Excel pwede natin gamitin pag may mga communications tayo. Then sa Words naman, magagamit natin siya pag may mga like na mag-edit tayo ng mga documents na pwede natin gawin sa so, Microsoft Office has or package. Ayan, Words, Excel, tapos yung PowerPoint, tapos Microsoft Access yan. Wala tuloy. First package. Sige, tuloy na. Tuloy na, sige, Microsoft. Ako ba? Ay. Ito yung mga
What is MS Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing software package. You can use it to type letters, reports, and other documents. The four main operation of a word processing package are defining the form of the document, entering a document from a keyword, editing or modifying the document, and last printing the document.
Pwede yung component na Microsoft Words. Formatting toolbar, standard toolbar, or scroll bar, view pixels, drawing toolbar, and status bar. The ribbon of display bar is commands and figures of all the tabs. Kanya naman na siguro na ano yun. Ito, Microsoft Words. Ito, creating documents. Diyan pwede kayo gawa ng mga documents tulad ng mga pwede natin ipasa sa mag-edit. Diyan naman tayo kayo. Graphics, tapos word styles. Creating documents. Looking words, documents. Pwede rin tayo mag-spelling checker doon. Grammar checker. Pabasa nga.
Formatting a Word document. The process to change the appearance of document is called the document's formatting. You can format a single character, word, line, paragraph, or whole documents. The document is formatted to make it more attractive and beautiful. The commands used to format the documents are selected from the following tab.
Okay, the process change appearance of documents. So the documents formatting you can format a single character, words, lines, or documents. Parehas to. So creating tables. Microsoft Words provide a tool tables. It is used to organize information over rows and columns. A table is made of a series of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns called cells. Okay. Excel. So dito sa Excel, nagagamit natin siya sa like sa mga computation na gagawin natin, sa mga previous activities natin nagamit na natin yung Excel. Dito pwede kayong maglagay ng ano tawag ko? Para sa computation.
Formulas.
Ayan mga formulas. So hindi ka na maghihirap pag mano-mano mag-compute. Ay, compute. Sa Excel. Kita naman sa mga ano yan. Hindi na yan. Ribbon displays, various commands and features of programs. Explain ko ba yan? Hindi na. Sabi nga ni Sir, wait. Basta yung mga open to mga tao dyan.
Ano kasi explain?
MS Excel. Excel is Microsoft application that is mainly used for calculations and mathematical works.
Hindi kasi
It is a spreadsheet application in which we can add sheets as per our requirements. In a single sheet, it consists of rows and columns and cells where every cell has different fields. Some products, subtraction, division, and many mathematical logical functions are available to use. Other features include tables, charts, and art and more. It is basically used for payroll, accounts, mathematical, and for other business purposes.
Features of Excel. Hyperlink. We can link one file to another file or page. Click art. We can add image and also audio. Audio click. Chart. Which charts we can clearly show products, evaluation to a client. For example, you can display a chart showing which product is selling more or less by month. Because tables. Tables are created with different tools. You can add a table to fill these values. Functions. There are mathematical functions, addition, subtraction, multiply, and logic ones, average sum. Microscopes. Ayun, wala explanation. Basahin nyo na lang. Some function of
Some
Basahin mo,
function
tas-
of
basahin.
Excel. Average, county, ISAP, parang max, ano yun, IF. Di ba yung Excel yan yung ano ginagamit sa pagkalutan? Nagagawa tayo ng mga grade, gano'n. Sa yung average, para makuha siya. Tapos yung count, di ba kasi pagka nagawa tayo ng Excel, makikita mo doon kung mga ilan yung mga naano mo. Yung tulad ng ginawa natin sa ano ba yun? Yung kay Ma'am Janelle. Yung nag-ano tayo.
Price.
Price,
Ano?
sabi niyo.
Costing. Di ba nakikita doon? Yung PI, di ko alam yun. Yung sum mo, di ba? Yung sum, maano naman natin yun yung plus.
Based on the
Yung product yun niya, ginawa na parang ginawa natin sa costing. Yun lang po.
Box.
PowerPoint tayo. What is PowerPoint?
What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is computer software created by Microsoft which allows the user to create slides with recordings, narrations, transitions, and other features in order to present information. An example of PowerPoint is presentation software made by Microsoft.
So ngayon yung PowerPoint nagagamit natin sa mga installations of other features in order to present information. So pwede rin nagagamit natin sa paggawa ng mga presentation or mga reports natin. Like ito, features of Microsoft PowerPoint. Ayan, nag-ano sa mga animations, auto shapes, editing presentations, spelling, checking, and presentations, editing and hiding slides, running presentations, slide transitions, saving presentations, and printing presentations. Plus, Microsoft Access. So what is Microsoft Access?
What is MS Access? MS Access is a tool which is used to create database and it is also a system for software.
So yan yung Microsoft Access doon, nagagamit natin siya pag-create ng mga database. So features. Ano ba naman din?
Features of MS Access. Una, database. Pangalawa, record. Pangatlo, field. Pangapat, table. Forms, report, private. So, isa sa mga features ng MS Access is yung database. Pangalawa, pag-record ng mga documents. Fields, yung interface na ginagamit natin o yung interface ng MS Access. Table, katulad ng Microsoft Office, saka PowerPoint, may table din siya. Form, saka report, and last, primary.
Yun na. Thank you. Ay, Binoy, bago matapos,